Hello and welcome to Badshah Insights. Did you know if you want to become a successful businessman, you must develop sales skills? Whether you are selling a product, an idea, or even yourself in an interview, mastering sales is the key to success. Today, we will learn the best sales techniques from one of the most famous books, Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone. Who is Grant Cardone? Grant Cardone is a successful businessman, sales expert, and author. He started with nothing and became a millionaire by mastering sales. Today, he owns multiple businesses and teaches people how to sell and succeed. In his book, Sell or Be Sold, he shares powerful strategies that can help you sell anything to anyone. I will share 8 most powerful secrets from this book. So now, let's dive into these powerful sales secrets. 1. Believe in your product 100%. If you don't believe in what you are selling, no one else will. People can sense doubt in your voice and body language. Imagine you are selling a mobile phone. If you hesitate when someone asks, "Is this the best phone for me?" the customer will lose confidence. But if you 100% sure about your product and say, "Yes, this is the perfect phone for you, and here's why," you are more likely to make the sale. When you believe in your product, selling becomes effortless. 2. Sell with enthusiasm. People don't buy products, they buy energy and confidence. Think about the last time you bought something from a salesperson. Were they excited and passionate? Enthusiasm is contagious. If you speak in a dull and lifeless way, no one will be interested in what you are offering. For example, if you are selling a course, don't just say, "This course will teach you new skills." Instead, say with excitement, "This course is a game changer. It will open new doors and opportunity and help you achieve your dreams." Your energy and excitement will make people want to buy. 3. Handle rejections like a pro. Rejection is a natural part of sales, but most people fear it. Successful salespeople don't get discouraged by no. They see it as a step closer to a yes. Let's say you are selling a fitness program. A customer says, "I don't think I need this right now." Instead of giving up, you can ask, "What's stopping you? Is it the price, time, or something else?" This way, you understand their hesitation and can offer a solution. Every no is an opportunity to learn, improve, and try again. 4. Be persistent. Follow up until you close the deal. Most people don't buy their first time they see a product. They need to think, compare, or discuss before making a decision. That's why follow up is important. Imagine you are selling a website design service. A client says, "Let me think about it." If you never contact them again, you lose the sale. But if you follow up after a few days, reminding them of the benefits, you increase your chances of closing the deal. Grant Cardone says, "The future is in the follow-up." Keep engaging with potential customers until they say yes. Focus on solutions, not just features. People don't care about features. They care about how your product solves their problem. For example, if you are selling a laptop, don't just say, "This laptop has 16 GB RAM and a fast processor." Instead, explain how it helps them. "This laptop is super fast, so you can multitask smoothly without lag. You will save time and work more efficiently." Always connect the product's features to a benefit that matters to the customer. 6. Create urgency. Make people take action now. If people feel they have unlimited time to buy, they will delay or forget about it. You must create urgency. For example, if you are selling an online course, you can say this special discount is available only for the next 24 hours. After that, the price will go up. When people feel they might miss out, they are more likely to act quickly. Fear of missing out or FOMO is a powerful motivator. Use it wisely. 7. Always ask for the sale. Many salespeople make a great pitch but hesitate to ask for the sale. If you don't ask, you don't get. For example, after explaining your product, simply ask, would you like to place your order now? Which plan works best for you, basic or premium? By guiding the customer to a decision, you increase the chances of closing the deal. 8. Never stop learning. Sales is a lifelong skill. The best salespeople always keep learning and improving. If you master sales, you can make money in any industry. Even if you don't have a business, sales skills help in everyday life. Convincing your boss for a promotion, negotiating a better salary, persuading someone to agree with your ideas. Invest in learning sales and you will always have an advantage in life. So here is the conclusion. Selling is not just about products, it's about influencing people and creating opportunities. Whether you want to grow a business, land a dream job, or convince someone of your ideas, these skills will help you succeed. Remember, everything in life is a sale, and everything you want is a commission. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Badshah Insights for more tips on money, side hustle, and personal growth. See you in the next video.